Hello and welcome to another video at Nature Affinity. Seth here, bringing the joy in the heart of nature. Now today I'd like to talk to you about your self-talk. How you talk to yourself, it changes everything. I'm going to break it down for you in this video. Now, for many years, I had very negative self-talk. I would talk to myself in a way that, I would not at all talk to anybody that I really loved. Like, I was not loving to myself. And my self-talk would just bring me down, constantly. It would bring me down. And I started to realize that this self-talk was actually holding me in this vibrational holding pattern, if you will, that did not allow me to realize or experience anything that I wanted to experience in life. I started to wonder at the time why things were not going the way that I needed them and wanted them to go. And so I realized that the story that we tell ourselves about ourselves becomes the reality that we experience. Think about it. If you've ever intentionally uplifted yourself over a period of time, don't you notice that even small things can start going your way? That synchronicity, it starts to flow and as you allow the process brings you the experiences that you want to see in your life. However, if you talk down to yourself all the time, you're constantly bringing yourself down, that story, it becomes your reality, as it became mine. I was constantly talking down to myself, beating up on myself, saying mean things to myself. It became my reality that life and reality appeared to be beating down on me. However, this is not the case, because life and reality, the universe, if you will, it's a mirror of the story that you tell yourself about yourself. Now, I invite you to give this a try in your own life. Start to talk nicely about yourself. Honestly, if you're over here watching this video, you're in a much better position than a lot of people already to have the privilege of going on the internet, going on YouTube, and clicking on this video. Think about it. Don't take it for granted just because it's so widely available in certain places. There's a lot of people that will never even have the opportunity to go on the internet, to go on YouTube and look at any video. So start there. Start with gratitude. Have gratitude for the things that are already going well in your life and how well things are already going for you in certain aspects. And then when things happen, which there are challenges that arise, that's normal. And actually, I love challenges because it gives us a chance to really hone that. There's a quote by Rumi that I really, really love. It goes like, if you are bothered by every rub, how is your mirror ever going to be polished? Think about it. If you let every little thing switch you around so that you start beating up on yourself, talking down to yourself when things happen, your mirror's never going to be polished, and you're never going to have that clarity of vision in your life. So start with gratitude. And then from there, reinforce it within yourself. Say, I am worthy. I am abundant. Whatever you put after I am is a story that you tell yourself about yourself. Make sure you're putting good stuff after I am, as your imagination in the kingdom of heaven within, as Neville Goddard puts it, will go to work on whatever vision that you put after I am. That's the key. Put good things after I am so that the universal mirror brings to you the things that bring you happiness and joy. Now, with that being said, it's another beautiful day in paradise, breathing in the fresh air and the heart of nature.